Fix in 5. P0454. EVAP System Pressure Sensor Intermittent Fuel Tank Pressure Control FA. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Ignore it long enough, and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, intermittent fuel tank pressure warnings, occasional rough idle, fuel odor near fuel tank area in rare cases. Now the most likely causes. EVAP fuel tank pressure sensor failure or malfunction. Or damaged electrical connector at sensor. Wiring harness damage or intermittent wire contact. Engine control module, ECM, programming issue. Faulty fuel tank pressure sensor, most common cause. What does it cost? Roughly €12.24 doing it yourself or €52.64 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Inspect and clean EVP pressure sensor electrical connector. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness section. Replace EVP fuel tank pressure sensor, most effective solution. Verify proper sensor seating in fuel tank assembly. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0454 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0454 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0454. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.